Hey there, it's Mrs. D, and this is a quick tutorial about how to put a comment block in your Squarespace websites. Okay, so these are specifically for Squarespace websites, but you can probably do this on a lot of other sites as well. So if you're not only using Squarespace, this might still be helpful for you. So what I found was that I'm creating an asynchronous course, and I wanted my students that sign up for the course to be able to leave comments on the course sections and lessons, and the Squarespace didn't offer this feature. And so after some thinking and research and figuring things out, I got a really nice code from AI. I chat GPT. I just told it I needed an HTML code for a comment box, and it took it a few tries to actually give me a nice one. And then I changed the button. You'll see the button on there, the submit button, to match the color code of my website. So I'll show you how to do that as well. But anyway, what you want to do is I'll show you what it looks like. So let's see. We'll just go to the welcome one here and just give it a second to load. It's a little bit slow these days. Okay, and so then it leaves this beautiful comment box right here. Okay, so that's what I wanted, something very simple but professional looking to add to the pages. So I am working on this page right now, and so I'm ready to add a comment box to this. So I figured I would just record it and show you all how to do it. So here's the content of this page, and I'm going to, oops, sorry about that. I'm going to edit it, and I'm going to add a section. And when I add that section, I'm going to add a blank section. Okay, so it'll give me a big blank section. Then we're going to add a block. And under that, we're going to embed this code. Okay, so what I've done is created a Google Doc, and I'll link that down below for you to copy and paste this code into your website. And I'll show you after I do this how to change the color. Okay, for the submit button. So we're going to go back to the website. I'm going to make this bigger. I usually try to make it so that there's one block on each side. Double click it, or click the little pencil button. Triple click this to select all of it. Control V, and there is the comment box. It just pops up, and it's centered nicely. And that's it. So simple, so easy. You can make your and I mean, it looks so professional. Let me show you really quickly how to change the color. This is in the style for the format button right here, in this part right here. This is the color code, background color. This is the color code right here. Okay, so you want to change that to be the color that you to change it to your color scheme. Okay, you'll get it with the with this tan color that we use on our website, but you can change that to any color that you would like, or a color that matches your color scheme. So that's it. Simple, sweet, easy, and I hope that was helpful. Take care.